The story begins in the 1930s when strange objects were unearthed in Iraq near present-day Baghdad in the Kuyut Rabu region. The findings were examined more closely by Wilhelm König, a staff member of the National Museum of Iraq, and he was the first to propose the startling idea that these vessels might have functioned as electrical devices. We're talking about a clay vessel approximately 15 centimeters high, which contains a copper cylinder inside and an iron rod fits into this. The whole thing is held together and sealed by bitumen, which is natural asphalt. This combination, meaning two different metals and a vessel that can potentially be filled with liquid, immediately brings to mind the image of a galvanic cell for the modern eye. However controversial the object's true purpose may be, modern experiments have shown one thing quite clearly, namely that under certain conditions it really is capable of producing electrical voltage. And when researchers and enthusiastic experimenters recreated this Bhagdad battery and filled it with, for example, vinegar or another mildly acidic liquid, the result was not long in coming, and they were able to measure a voltage of around 1 volt. This might not seem like much at first, but let's consider that it's already enough to create detectable electrical phenomena. It doesn't light up a city, and it doesn't power any serious device, but it exists. And it's this tiny fact that pulls the debate back to the starting point over and over again. Because if it could have worked, then was it actually used? From here, it's just a step to the paleo-astronautical interpretation, according to which the development of humanity was not a completely independent process. In this framework, the Bhagdad Battery could even be a technological fragment that a more advanced, say, non-terrestrial intelligence passed on to humans.